Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So recently, a lot have been complaining to me that if they upload on their WhatsApp status or WhatsApp business, the quality they have gets reduced after uploading on their WhatsApp status. So guys, I've come with a new update and a new format on how to post on your WhatsApp status without WhatsApp reducing the quality. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to consider hit the subscribe button, like this video, share and comment, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. And if you're turning viewers, thanks for coming guys, I really appreciate. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this tutorial. So the first, let's head over to our WhatsApp and come on this plus icon. Like you want to message the new chat, click on the plus icon and you will see your self chat. You can see you. So click on your self chat. After clicking, so the video that you want to post on your WhatsApp or the image, so select it and send this to this chat. So let's go by selecting a video. For example, let's go for my WhatsApp business folder. And for example, let's send this video, one of these video. And before you send it, just look up here where you see this HD. So after clicking on the HD, click change it to HD quality. So after this, any caption you want to put on the video, for example hello, so it will be there like this. So send this to this chat with HD quality. So after you successfully send this to this chat, so click on this and click forward. So just forward it to your status, click OK, then forward to your status. And I promise you guys, if you send through this, the quality will remain the same thing. So if you are new to my YouTube channel also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button again, like this video, share and comment. And if this tutorial was for you, that's really a great opportunity for you having it again. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified exactly when I post any amazing videos like this. So until my next video, peace out.